Okay, what's up guys? Welcome to part 4, but this incident happened. So I recorded and I didn't know it was paused the whole time, so I had to restart my recording. So I already did vacation weeks, never not summer, and Uncanny Legends Scarred Forest, but I'm just gonna repay you guys for. I'm just gonna do all the moons in this part, okay? Okay. The first moon. Yeah, nothing too expensive yet. Destroyed. You had another moon. Okay. Moon. Okay. See you guys in the next moon. Okay. Chapter 3 moon. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the same thing. You cannot come close to us. Okay, see you guys in the future chapter 1. Okay, future chapter 1. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Yeah, okay. See you guys in the next video. Okay, chapter 2. Fight Valkyrie Alien Queen. Yeah, I don't know how this is pronounced. I forgot already. Sorry about that. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm just getting awakened Bahamut. Okay, chapter 3. Fight awakened Bahamut. Okay. Okay. 2 assassin 3. Go stand. No chance. I'll see you guys in the Cosmo chapter. The Big Bang. Okay. I'm just gonna just. No. I'm not destroying anything. Okay, chapter 1. Defeated. See you guys in the next. Okay, chapter 2. The Big Bang, not moon. Okay. Destroy. Yeah, okay. My voice. Okay, see you guys in the next moon. Okay, chapter 3, the Big Bang, which is the final one. Which is the final level of the final mission of my video. Oh my god, so many shields. Well, see you guys in the next part of Battle Dogs. We fight all the moons in this part, but I don't know what to do in the next part. Well, see you guys in the next part anyway.